Hello friends, a warm welcome to your own channel 3 Minute Maths. You'd be surprised to know that I don't teach maths, but I make you understand maths in a magical way. First, watch my full video, and when you feel you understood the explanation, then subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Today I'm going to discuss all the short tricks used for addition. Normally we understand that addition is very easy, but when it comes to big numbers it's very difficult. So today I am going to tell you all the short tricks of doing addition. So let's start type number 1. In type number 1, normally what we do when addition comes in our mind, we start adding from the right side and go to the left side. But today I am going to change the concept. Today I am going to tell you that we'll start from the left side and go to the right side. What? It's not possible. Yes, it is possible. I'll show you. I have shown with the arrow. So you can see 6 plus 2 is 8. So I've written over 8. 5 plus 3 is again 8. And 2 plus 7 is again 9. What do you think? It's not possible. Oh, that's okay. Your mind says this might be possible for a small number. But what if a big number comes, then what will happen? So to answer your question, I am going to explain example 2. So you can see over here I have written 1000, 100, tens, ones, and the second digit is 100, tens, ones. So what we have to do, as I said, we start addition from the left side, not from the right side. Okay, so as in 1000 place we don't have any number over here, so what is the 1000 place? We have a number 2, so I have written 2 over here in 1000 place. In 100 place we have 3 and 5, so 5 plus 3 is 8. In tens place it's 3 and 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, and in units place is 6 and 8. 6 plus 18, 14. So 14, 4, carry 1 I have written over here. And what I do now, I simply add all the things. If I add it, 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 8 plus 1, 9, and 2. Hence the answer is 2904. This is how you do an addition when you have a bigger number. Okay, let's try one more with another big number of 6 digit or 7 digits. What do you say? So what I did, I have taken a 7 digit number. Let's understand how to do a 7 digit number. Okay, so fine. So as I said, how many digits are there? 7. So both I have taken 7 digits. Okay, now I'll start with the number. So let's try. So 7 and 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 1, carry 1 over here. Okay, then 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. Then 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1, carry 1 over here. Okay, then 7 plus 5. 7 plus 3. It's 7 plus 11, 12. 2. Then, okay. Then 6. Sorry. Then, 1 minute. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. Again I'll explain because some mistakes was there. So let's try once again. Okay. So the number is 4 plus 7 is 11. 1, carry 1. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. Then 7 plus 9 is 7 plus 9, 12, 11. So 1, carry 1. Then 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is how you do the addition of a bigger number. Let's go to the next type 2. This is more easier than type 1. In this, what you can break the numbers into small parts and do the addition part. So first, what I did 642, 462 plus 268. So I have broken 462 into 400 plus 60 plus 2 and 268 into 200 plus 60 plus 8. So what I'll do, I'll add As I said, I'll add from the left side. So 400 plus 200 is 600. So I've written 600. 60 plus 60 is 120, and 2 plus 8 is 10. So on addition, that comes to 730. Okay. So this is how you can break the number, add the 100 to 100, tens to tens, and ones to one, and you can get it. Let's do another example with a bigger number. So I have taken 1168 plus 551. So I've broken 1168 into 1000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 8 and 551 into 500 plus 50 plus 1. 1000. So there is no 1000 place, nothing in the other digits. So 1000 I have kept as it is. In 100 place we have 100 and 500. So this becomes 600. 60 plus 50 is 110. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the whole answer is 1719. Let's do one more example. 563 plus 498. I have done this addition in a different way. This is also you can do it. In this, what I did, I brought the number 498 to its nearest 100. So what is nearest 100 to 498 is 500. So for 498, can I write 500 minus 2? Why did I did? Because it's easier to calculate it. So what I did for 498, I have written 500 minus 2. And for 563, I have written 560 plus 3, because 100 and 100 is easy. So let's add it. So 560 plus 500 is 5. So 1060, and 3 plus 2 is 3 minus 2. Sorry, 3 minus 2 is 1. So if you add it, this becomes 1061. So this is how you can also do addition by breaking into plus and minus form and doing the addition part. Okay, type 3, addition of a decimal number. If we have a number whose has a lot of decimals to it, so how to do addition of a decimal number? In this, we have to convert all the given decimal numbers into like decimals as I have shown over here. So first number is 5.460 plus 2.327 plus 12.800. So after the decimal places, we have 3 space. So in the first case, I have after decimal I have 3 places. In the second also I have 3 places, but in the third I have also 3 places. So I have written like this and added, and you get the number. Fine. Okay, let's do one more number, but over here we have a decimal number and a whole number. How to add a decimal number and a whole number? In this case, it's very simple. In a whole number, put a decimal and put the number of zeros to it, because after the decimal the zero value does not exist. So I have written over here, you can see it. So 114.44 as it is plus 18.00, and I add it, and that becomes 132.44. So this is also another way in which you can do addition. Addition of a fraction. Fraction having the same denominator. If we have the same denominator, in that case, you just simply need to add the numbers on the top. So what is the number on the top? 4 plus 2 is 6. So this becomes 6 upon 7. If we have a number, if we have a fraction with a different denominator, then what will happen? If we have a fraction with a different denominator, then we have to take an LCM of the denominator. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35, and we make the numbers in the like decimal form. So 7 5s are 35, 21 upon 35 and 25 upon 35. As the denominators are same, we add the numerators, and that is 46 upon 35, which is equal to 111 upon 35. Addition of a mixed fraction. If we have different types of fraction, but it is a mixed fraction. So 3 1 upon 2 plus 4 upon 5 plus 9 1 upon 3. This is the most interesting part over here. See, so what I did, I added all the numbers and I added all the fractions on the other type. So you can see I have written 3 plus 4 plus 9. All the whole numbers on one side and all the fractions on the other side. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9 is 16, and 1 half plus 4 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. I have taken an LCM. LCM is 30, and this comes to as 15 plus 24 plus 10, that is 119 upon 30. 16 plus 1 is 17, so 17, 19 upon 30. So what we learned in the addition of mixed fraction, we should add all the whole numbers to one side and the fraction to the other and club it together. Okay, let's go to the other type. Addition of a consecutive even or odd numbers. This is the most interesting part you will come to know. If you have an addition of a consecutive even and odd numbers, let's take, if you have a numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many digits are there? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. So simply what you do, just write 5. You write 5 over here and add 5 plus 1 in a bracket. That becomes 6. 5, 6 is 30. This is the answer. Wasn't it interesting? Again, if we have an even number, and if the numbers are starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I have taken 5 digits. If the number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, if it is a 6 digit number, multiply it by 6. If it is a 7 digit number, multiply it by 7 and add 1 to it and just multiply the whole thing. This is for even number. But what about an odd number? So let's try example 2. I have taken an odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. How many digits are there total? You can see I have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 digits. So I have written 5 and simply I multiply it by 5. So in the odd case, what we have learned, whatever the numbers are there, put the number and multiply it by the same number. So 25. But in even number, what we do, write the number and add one more number to it and multiply it. Okay, let's try example 3. Let's see the example 3. We have a number 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Okay, look very carefully over here. 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. I have written 40 plus 4 into 4. Where does this 40 come from? Where does this 40 come from? So first, as the numbers is ranging from 11 to 17, so the number is starting from 10 and goes to 19. So it is the number is 10. So 10, and how many digits we have? We have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. 1, just hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as the number is ranging from 10 to 20, I have taken 10. And how many digits are there? 4. So 10 into 4 is 40. First step. Then plus, and again, how many digits are there? 4 digits. So I have written 4 into 4. Why 4 into 4? Because this is an odd number. You can see 11, 13, 15, 17 are odd numbers. In odd numbers, we don't add anything. But when it comes to even number, we'll add a number. So again, example 4. Just see example 4. Example 4, the number is between 22 to 28 and all are even numbers. So even numbers, we have to add 1. So as the number is between 20 to 28, we'll take 20. So I've taken 20. Then how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. I multiplied by 4 as we had done in the earlier case also. And then 4 into 5. Why 4? Because there are 4 digits. And as it is an even, we add 1 to the number. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And then the sum becomes 80 plus 20 is 100. So in even numbers, we add 1, and in odd numbers, we multiply it by the same number. Addition of a consecutive numbers. If we have a number 1 plus 2 plus, this trick you can try it with your friends also, and they will be surprised how you do the calculation so fast. Tell them that take a number from 1 to 20 and do the sum. They would take a lot of time. I'll tell you how to do this. So I have taken 1 to 8. How many digits are there? Consecutive digits are 8. So what I do, this is the calculation you need to do. So how many digits are there? 8. So I've written 8, and then in the bracket 8 plus 1. So add one number and divide by 2. That's the answer. If tell your friends that what is the sum of consecutive numbers 1 to 20. So what you will do, Right, 20 into bracket open 20 plus 1 divided by 2. That's the answer. Wasn't this interesting? Okay, let's try another one. Over here we have a number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. But this number is in between the number. It's not starting from the number. It is between any number. So 21 I'm starting and going up to 25. In this case, the rule changes. So what's the rule? How many total digits are there? You can see there are 5 digits. So I've written 5 over here. I've written 5 over here. And it starts from 21. So I've written 21 plus, what is the ending number? 25 upon 2. So in the second case, what we understand? Count the numbers, put the bracket, write the first number, write the last number and divide by 2. And you'll get the answer. The answer is 115. So this trick you can share it to your friends. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and family.